before I start this video. This will be my last video before I go back tomorrow morning or for the afternoon. Anyways, enjoy. Joey's pulled the fire alarm at school and gets grounded. Plotagon version. Man, today I have to go to school today. And I'm very mad. What should I do? What? You're not, guys. I'm gonna pull the fire alarm at school during third period. Yes, I'm going to do it. At school. Alright, class. Today we're gonna be learning about the Hotelaria Panama. Any questions before we start? Can I go to the bathroom, please? Okay, make it quick. It's time for me to pull the fire alarm. To pull the fire alarm in. 54,321. Where's that Joey? He should be back from now on the bathroom. Oh no. It's the fire alarm. It's time for us to go outside immediately. I am here safe and sound. I am glad that you're here. It is not to say to re-enter the building. There was no fire. Someone pulled the fire alarm as a part false alarm, but we don't know who did that. Back in the classroom. Sorry guys for the convention. But anyways, we're going back to our lessons. Wait a minute. I know what's going on. Something going on. Do you know who's the one went to the bathroom before the alarm went off? It was only Joey. Joey 7652. Did you pull the fire alarm when you went to the bathroom? No, I did not pull the fire alarm, I promise. You better tell me the truth now. Yes, I did pull the fire alarm. Joey, how dare you put in the fire alarm? That's what I'm saying you to the principal office. Do you know why I called you here? This is a part of the fire alarms, right? We sold you footage you pulling one of them in our camera. Why would you do that? I just wanna do it as a prank and waste class time. Joey 7652, how dare you put on the fire alarm? You know that it's a bad prank and you will be fined for $300 or more. That's it, I'm suspending you for 3 weeks. And I'm calling your dad. Is this Joey's dad? Yes, Joey's dad. Who is this? I'm your school principal. I'm suspending him for 3 weeks because he pulled the fire alarm at school. Yes, can you please do it? Oh my god, thanks for telling me. I'm gonna grab him at home.
Yo. Well,